Hello, Mr. Guarino. I have your H558 here. I note that the crown is missing. We have all this stuff here. That's unfortunate. The split stem is broken. That's a tough one. I'm gonna have to hunt that part down, and they're not easy to find. They were made as a single piece. I'll have to look at that really carefully. Maybe I can get I've never been able to do it before, but maybe I can get that threaded section up. But the problem is that these stems are just, I think I have a replacement stem, but it's this whole thing needs to go. Thankfully your crown is there, but that's a bummer. That's a bummer. I will have to look through my stuff and we shall see. First thing I noticed looking at your watch is that your LCD screen is black. It has, I think that's done for. And again, it's one of those things, I believe I have a replacement. I've been keeping them for a really long time. So you might need one of those. No servicing marks. A little bit of corrosion in there. So we definitely got some moisture in through the crown. It's right here. I hope that didn't get into the movement. Yeah, your LCD screen is done for. So I will need to look at that. Your loom doesn't look bad. I'm gonna clean them. Hopefully I can get rid of some of this haze on the metal. The dial loom looks good. Yeah, gonna need a new LCD screen. Funky. Funky, funky. Probably something to do with the water that got in. But I believe I have everything we need in order to take this, put it back together. But we're definitely gonna have some extra work in. That is a real bummer about that stem. Because what happens is that it's threaded, that the outer part of the stem is threaded into this and it just snapped off and it leaves the stump in there, and then the part's not useful anymore. Not usable, I should say. Because I can't even test the movement to see if it's running because the stem's not in and it would hack. And so we wouldn't see any movement. Your LCD being down, I mean, I might see your LCD. I don't think it's worth fiddling with right now. I think I need to get in there and see what I'm dealing with. Definitely movement service. At least minimum, we're going to need that female crown stem part and an LCD screen on top of the regular servicing and all that. So we got us a patient here. But, I mean, cosmetically, which is the stuff you can't replace, it's looking pretty good. Great loom. We'll clean it up, get this thing functional, and then back on the wrist. Thank you.